Hi there, welcome to the Brew Shed video. This is just a quick overview of brewing a full grain or full mash brew. This is the Brew Shed that I set up. So in the middle of the screen there you can see the copper kettle. Most brewers call this a copper. It's basically used for two purposes. The first purpose I'm using for it is heating up hot water. So it's a giant kettle like you have in the kitchen. In the bottom of that copper kettle are three heating elements, basically taken from cheap Argos value kettles. They're plumbed into the bottom with electrical cables running into them. You can see one of them switched on with an orange LED, and that's keeping the water up to temperature. I've just put a bit of silver insulation around the outside as a heat jacket to retain some efficiency, and then there's a few brass fittings into the kettle that give me a sight glass for water level, a drain off tap, and a few holes are blocked up from the previous use of a hot water tank in a house. So that water's heating up now. It's been heating up for a couple of hours in there. I've set this kettle with a timer, so I fill it up the night before, set the timer to come on about 6 o'clock in the morning, and then when I get out of bed and have a cup of coffee, the water is ready up to temperature. You can see up on top we've got a little digital thermometer with a probe going down into the tank. That's just a cheap sort of £2 or £3 eBay digital thermometer. I bought a few of those just to be able to use them for various temperature readings. It's currently at 90 degrees. I will generally bring that hot water up to 100 degrees, get it boiling. That means that the copper is sterilised and the water is nice and clean, ready for the mash-in, which is going to happen a little later on. Again, just for efficiency, put something over the top of the kettle just to keep the heat in. Bit of insulated material, bit of foam-backed silver plastic. And then a piece of board over the top just to keep the plastic down.